Hey, this will be a video chart on CTIX. I do not believe I've ever done this one before, but wow, I'm pretty late to the party in terms of doing videos on it. This thing has been an absolute monster, just a true rocket ship. And I've been getting questions on it and requests. I just haven't been able to get to it. I'm not going to make excuses, just haven't gotten to it. But here I am now, so I want to get things updated and point out a few things that I see from a technical perspective, and hopefully it can help you out and aid you in your training. So the first thing to point out, oh, and I should know, 60-minute chart. So if you're not familiar with what I mean by that, instead of each one of these bars or candlesticks, as they're known, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one just represents 1 hour or 60 minutes worth of price action. So just something to keep in mind. I want to do that because I think it does a little bit better job of showing what's going on, and will do a better job of showing what you want to see continue to go on. So first thing to point out is it's finally started to chill out a little bit. And what I mean by that is you can see some clear sideways action here for, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So basically 5 hours now of just sideways action. The current level of resistance that the price has been struggling to get through is right here at the 244. Let's hit it there, and then hit it there. So 244 is definitely the current level of resistance. 3 times in the past few hours the price has bumped its head on it and not able to get there. So 244 current level of resistance. And then as far as supports go, this is kind of what I want to talk about. As you can see, the price, or the price has been doing a great job of surfing along these moving averages. In particular, the blue line here, which is the 10 period, and gray line, excuse me, which is the 20 period. And you can see just multiple times, every time the price has gotten down there, the price has bounced. So that's what you want to see continue to happen support wise. You can see now that the price has really separated itself from the 20 period simple moving average down here. But these are going to be their current levels of support. Now, the one thing I want to point out, and keep in mind, this is not me saying that something for surely going to happen, but we do have a negative divergence going on. And what I mean by that is you can see here that, first let me draw it and then I'll kind of point out, just make that a different color. So you can see here that when the RSI reached this high, the price was right around here. Then when it reached this high, the price was actually at a new high. And then when the price reached a new price high, it actually reached a lower high down here on the RSI. So in a nutshell, while the price is going up, this is trending down. That's a negative divergence, and it is a red flag. Now, at the end of the day, price action and volume are king, not some technical indicator. But it is worth mentioning that perhaps there's a pullback ready for some consolidation. I mean, it has been going straight up. Now, keep in mind also that a pullback is not the same as a reversal. So don't freak out and say that I'm saying this thing's going to reverse and crash. I'm not saying any of that, but I would not be surprised to see some sort of maybe a little bit deeper pullback and period of consolidation like it's done in the past. So that wouldn't be anything new to the chart. Chart's had plenty of pullbacks, but with this negative divergence and knowing that the price has been going up essentially the past 5 days straight, it would not be shocking. So, but on that same token, as long as these support levels and such hold, then there's really nothing to worry about. So overall, though, a great looking chart, probably one of the best ones out there in terms of just the amount upward it's moved. But no price can go straight up every single day. Charts need to consolidate. Charts need to build higher bases. So it's looking like that may be right around the corner. So overall, though, very bullish chart, and one that I'll definitely be watching going forward still. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with the newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's good variety, something for everybody. It is all free, no strings attached. We've been making some good money together. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was CTIX. Thanks for listening.